Hi friends, in this video I'll tell you how to remove video, background or adds a green screen to your videos. I'm going to show you website. So there are many websites which you can add green screen or remove video background. So the website I am going to show you today is this, runwayml.com. I will give the link in the description. So let's start. I have logged into it into the website, so you can click start editing, and it will be you will be in the editor. So here you can see there are some free videos, sample videos from them. I will show you from one of these first. So if I click double click on a video, it will add to the editor. So I'll show you after it's loaded. So now it has been loaded. So just click the areas you want to include in your video, and it will say generating mask. It will take some time to load, so let's just wait for the load. So now as you can see, the mask has been created. So if you click this, the surrounding area will be green screen. If you click preview, you can preview what it will look like. So after adding a green screen layer in the background, you can go to any video editor and change the green screen to any background you want. So this is a good website, and this is only in beta version, as you can see here. So as it gets better, it will work so good. So the preview is loading. So as you can see, the green screen behind it is working absolutely fine. You can export this video and add it in any video recorder and make it look super cool. There are some backgrounds already available in this, so I will show you them. So now as you can see, it's the background already available for downloading. So you can only download in SD version. You cannot download in HD because you need TROV for that. So you can just click export video and your video will be downloaded. So thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment and subscribe.